Hello React Native developers, I hope you are well. William here, recording from beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. In this video, we are gonna do the styling of the drawer. Again, it looks like quite interesting because of these rounded shapes. And here we have the pattern to apply a bit like we did here for these screens. Maybe we'll play the same trick by overlaying the image across two containers to make it look like a continuous curve. Or maybe you see we can match the position, and so here we could use potentially just a single color in the background of the middle container. Let's see how it goes. I hope that sounds good. Let's have a look. So we are back into the code, and before we jump into the drawer navigation, I would like to do two things. First, to center here the login screen. And simply gonna do a flex one here and justify content center. Much better. I think we've done it for forgot password, it's perfect. And we want to do it also for sign up. It makes me wonder if we should almost maybe factorize it into container. So we have it already actually here. So it would be justify content center. And we can add the padding. Perfect. So here we removed it. We can do same for sign up. Okay, looks good. And forgot password. Perfect. And let's have a look also at password changed. Here we also have align items. Forgot password. Okay. Can I do align self center? Yeah, perfect. Okay, and the second thing I would like to do is to have like a helper for the nested navigation. Right here we have this crazy navigator, and here also I have some, I don't want to go to outfit IDs, but I want to go to home. And so that's the drawer navigation on, I think it's app roots. So that looks good, and maybe I want to do, I think, a helper prop for this. So here maybe we want to create auth navigation props. So something. So here the param list would be so auth navigation props. Param list would be so, and we would have root name, which is extends authentication key of authentication routes. Param list would be authentication routes. Root name, and here for the navigation we would have the nested navigation, which we just removed here. Okay. So composite navigation. Root name. Something like this. So we could use here on the login screen. And we can do it for sign up. Forgot password. Welcome. And let's have a look at onboarding. All right. That looks good. So now let's go to the drawer. So we need to have our own custom drawer component, which is defined. So we should have drawer navigator somewhere. Home navigator, okay. And so should it be, I guess, drawer content? Can call it drawer. Okay. I'm not sure what kind of props we get from React Navigation. So just maybe to run a test here quickly. So that didn't work. So that's the props we get here. Draw, yeah, okay. So that looks good here. So now let's get into it. So here we'll have a flex one, and so we have 3 parts, right? Top, middle, bottom. And I'm tempted here to do we should probably have a fixed size for the top and the bottom. But also it depends on the, I guess, the safe area view of the container. Let's do maybe something like this. Flex 0, so 20%, flex 0.2. And here the background color would be white. And we'll have an overlay. So here we have a box with a position absolute. So top 0, left 0, right 0, bottom 0. We really need a shortcut for this. And border bottom right radius is, I think, XL. And background color secondary. We don't need, I think, here the props. I see that. Let me just reload. Okay. So that looks good. Let's do the middle part. And we'll have 2. Let's see. We'll have 2 background colors. But we might have to change that. But let's have a look. So we have here we would have flex 0.8 and as background, so we would have box flex 1, background color secondary. Right, yes. And the other one, background color primary. And we'll have our white overlay. And here we can even put some up. So that's where we're going to put the content. But so again, we'll have our absolute fill. Background color white. and border top left radius XL. No. Yeah, looks good. And now we can do the same with the bottom. So I guess I will just copy this guy here. Oh no, and we need also border bottom right radius. Okay, looks good. So here so the background color I guess would be secondary. No. Content would be primary. Let me go again to the background color. White is correct. It would be border top left radius here. Top left radius. Something like this. Yeah, okay. So let's do the content and then we can see if we can fit an image here. I mean, so here would be, we have no content. Should we try to stick an image here? You can take it from container. So this is how we calculate the width and the height of the image. Width and height of the image. That looks good. Here we can import dimensions. Let's try. So we would have image, source. So let's go into components, assets, and patterns. Let's take, I don't know, one.png. And we would have, this is correct. And here. So maybe here we need a fixed size. So we would have like something like this. We need to import image. All right, we need the width of the drawer.
A few moments later.
Okay, so maybe we can put a custom width here. So something like width, drawer width. here would be Windows with, I mean, I can put with here. So that would be with, let's say 80%, 0.8. Here would be with. Let's try. This one, so that doesn't work here, of course. So let me try. Style sheet, absolute, fill object, and with undefined, height undefined. Yes, but here with is drawer with. Okay, that looks good. Here it kind of matches, but I will lock here. This is too big. I think we used here we only show 60% of, right? Overflow hidden, height. So we could have some continuation. So our content would be here. So here we have a list of menu items. So let's create an array of items.
A few moments later.
All right, so now here we can have the items. So the content would be here. So we have items, map, item, and so I guess we're going to create a component here called drawer item, and we pass the item as property, and the key we can use item.screen. And so here let's do a quick, so I'm going to create a folder called drawer. We're going to move drawer.txt inside, create the index, and here we can create drawer item. So we have icon, which is a string, color, which is a key of theme dot colors. And we have screen, which is right now a string because I didn't create all the strings, but of course, once all the screens are created, we will type it as being a screen of the drawer navigator. And what else? Label. And this one is wrong. Okay. And label. Okay, so we have a box with a flex direction, which is a row. We have a, and we'll wrap it into a rect button. From React Native gesture handler, we have our rounded icon. The name we have. Background color is color. Color is white. And we have our label. Text. So let's use these properties. And size. .36. Okay. Name is icon. Do I need to restart? Let's see. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, here, here. Couldn't find the raw item. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay. So here icon, I think it's called zap. Here, perfect. The size is it's a bit too big. Should I use? Let's make a property called icon size, which is a number. And here we'll set it as the default value. Rounded icon, icon size. Oh, damn it.
Damn it!
Let's call it icon ratio. And icon size is size times icon ratio. Here we have 0.7. And in drawer item, we could have 0.5. It would be default props. Okay, looks good. So in drawer here we would have justify content center. Okay. Padding XL. Okay. Now in drawer item, we would have align items center. Here, I guess we would have a variant button. Oh, not really, huh? 16. Let's go in the theme to see what we have. Guess we just have regular. Medium. I think bottom was good, but should I create a variant just for this? No. Color text. Secondary. Margin left medium. Okay. Here padding medium or small. I mean, this is cool too. And maybe some rounding. Border radius. Why? No, that's not gonna work. Yeah. How do we do it in button? probably can remove it here. Use theme. This is the one we want. So I guess. Style, border radius. Yeah, it looks good. That's fun. I think we cannot... To navigate here, we cannot use the hook because it's a drawer component, so we have to pass it as a property, but let's let's do the text here. So in drawer, so that's our content. So the variant would be 28 semi-bold. I think we have it somewhere. 28, that will be title 1. And this one should be, yeah, regular. Colors, string, okay. So here, text align center. And we need to do the rounded avatar. I would also actually put this one in a box with margin, vertical, pixel. And the avatar, we're gonna place it, I think, absolutely as well. So let's try something. Box. Or let me just, okay, let's try it here. So background color, primary, border, radius, with height 100. Looks good. Align self, center. Now we need to, so top would be minus theme dot spacing dot xl. No, why? I would have expected here to go exactly at the top. Why it didn't work? Because here we have padding XL. And I need anyways, it looks like I need to move it to the top, but here overflow is hidden, so I'm not gonna see it. No, here. Yeah, that looks good. And position absolute. So here I would do minus 50. But of course, we don't see it anymore. No, I think it was correct actually to put it at the bottom. And so here we have our content. It's because of this guy here. Okay. And here, left, I guess would be drawer width divided by 2 minus 100 or 50. Okay, so we need to clean this up a little bit. But that looks pretty close to the original design. Maybe we can add quickly here. So we have 2 icons. So this one would be the next. I mean, it's color white. Let me use actually here rounded icon button. Name is X, color white, background color secondary. On press, okay, we have some text, which is my profile. And here we have shopping cart. Size. Let's try 24. Icon ratio is missing. Okay. Do I need? I guess I do need also here to have rounded. Okay. So that would be flex, direction, row. We probably need a safe area view here. Do we use it already? So we have it here, perfect. So I would do box. Oh no, or I can just use it here. So I would have in sets equals we must be using somewhere. Yeah. Okay. And so here we would have padding top is inset.top. Okay, looks good. And then this one would be color white, justify content, space between. Padding, horizontal, medium. Something like this. This looks pretty close to the original result, and I think in the next part we're gonna clean this up a little bit. That's a bit of a mess. And then we're gonna tackle this nice component with the outfit IDs, and it has nice gestures and animations. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. And in the meantime, happy hacking.